798 out of the 946 we have submitted as of yesterday with the corresponding pictures, new nomenclature, and the straight line diagrams because these are really mostly roads and bridges. Mr. Chairman.
Tayo, meron ba kayong nakitang talagang doble, nag-repeat siya based on your analysis?
798, wala pong nakita. Lahat yun po ay na-validate given the submissions. Dun sa remaining 148, hindi po natin alam. So, that's why, Mr. Chairman, ako po, no, I will put it on the record. If the committee will not grant us any more time, please feel free po to just remove that.
Well, Sec, ganito, kung hindi nyo, wala naman kayo na-detect na totoong repeated, no? Yung inulit talaga.
Hindi ko po masasabi dun sa 148,
Yeah,
Mr.
ibig sabihin,
Chairman.
itong initial review nyo, kung wala naman kayo na-detect na totoong repeated, meaning in good faith, no? These are all continuation, then we can give you until Friday to
wow,
complete.
thank you.